Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a beautiful math expression that is 8 divided 16 by 16 divided 8. It looks simple, but still people don't know how to give approach to this type of question. So let's learn in this video. So 8 divided 16, the numerator I can write in bracket and then division sign, then write the denominator. Simple. First solve the first bracket by writing 8 by divided by 16, then divided this 16 by 8. So this gives us 1 by 2 divided 2 by 1. So when there is a division sign, you have to follow KCF rule. Here K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. That means keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication, and flip the right hand. So it becomes 1 by 2. So it becomes 1 by 4. So what is the right answer? 1 by 4. I hope each and every step is clear and you learned something new. If you find it useful, don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.